If you've watched some of our videos before, you know that Chase and I feel that vowels are super important to singing. Actually, they're the second most important thing to singing. Today we're going to talk about having good vowels, and rather than explain what bad vowels are, I figured we'd show you. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? You can probably tell that this is a slight exaggeration, but not as much as you'd think. You'd be surprised how many people don't sing with good vowels and how it really affects their singing in ways they couldn't even imagine. Today we're going to talk about why vowels are important, what you can do to improve your vowels, and how to use them as a singer. In singing, we have 5 pure vowels: a, e, o, and oo. Keep in mind that these are just the sounds, not the letters, and this is why vowels can be so confusing. Pure vowels are designed to make singing easier, make your sound bigger and more resonant. Here's how I use pure vowels to sing the national anthem better. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? So the difference between that first example and what I just showed you is that in the second example, I'm sticking to one vowel each word. Now you might notice while singing in English, it's a bit harder to sing these pure vowels. English is actually one of the hardest languages to sing in my opinion. This is why we use vowel modification. Now it's exactly as it sounds. You are modifying each vowel. And you do that for a few different reasons. One of the reasons you might modify a vowel is because of where it sits in your voice. Maybe it's higher and that vowel doesn't really work when you're singing that high. For example, in the national anthem, oh, say, can you see by? Now, by is actually ba-e when you speak it in English. But when we sing it, we need to choose one. And I would probably choose ah because of where it sits in my register. So let's listen to that again. Oh, say, can you see by? So I modify my vowel to be a little taller, ah, to be more consistent and have a clear sound. Now, another reason you might modify your vowels is simply because of your style. Maybe there's a way that you want to say a certain word that gives it a little bit of flair and isn't, a pure vowel. That's perfectly fine. It's just important that you make a decision and have intention when choosing your vowels. This is going to give you a clearer tone and a more resonant sound. So remember, when you're singing, identify the vowel that you want to sing. It's your choice and it's completely up to you. Whatever sounds good goes. Also remember that you might need to modify this vowel because maybe it's a little bit easier to sing in a different way. Maybe you need to change it a little bit because of where it sits in your range. But that's there to help you. That's a beautiful thing about being a vocalist. We have this ability to control our voices just using vowels, and it allows us to do so much more. I hope that this video helped you. If you are struggling with this, welcome to being a singer. Chase and I have struggled with this for years, so you are not alone. We make videos about this to help you guys get better at singing, and it takes some time. So if you guys are interested, please check out our other videos about vowels. We hope that they help you. And if you have questions, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to make a video specifically answering your question. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I'm Malia from Chaseandmelia. If you are not already subscribed, please do so and hit that notification bell so you can know when we post again. We will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you are looking for a voice teacher, look no further. I have a degree in vocal music education and I would love to help you learn how to sing better. You don't have to want to be a professional singer either. You don't have to know how to match pitch. I'm here to help you reach your goals singing. If you would like more information, the link to our website is in the description box below.